Everyone goes potty. Mommies and daddies, brothers and sisters, and even puppies and kitties go potty. You can go potty too. Let's learn how. When you were a baby, you wore diapers, but now you are growing up. You are ready to say goodbye to your diapers and hello to underwear. When you stop wearing diapers, then you go potty on the toilet. Your mom, dad, and teachers will help you learn how to go potty at home and school. Your body will let you know when it is time to go potty. It may happen when you are playing with friends. It may happen when you are at school. It may happen when you are at home. When you feel like you need to pee or poo, stop what you are doing. Let a grown-up know that you need to go potty. When should you go potty? There are certain times most people need to go potty. When you wake up in the morning. After you eat. Before and after naps. Before going on a car ride. Anytime you feel like you need to pee or poo. Before bedtime. Let's go over each step you take when you go potty. First, go into the bathroom stall. Close the door. Pull down your clothes and underwear. Now you are ready to use the potty. Sit on the toilet and go potty. Sometimes it takes a little while to go potty, that's okay. Rip off toilet paper. Use toilet paper to clean your bottom. Next, flush the toilet. Then, pull up your underwear and clothes. Open the door. And wash your hands. After you go potty, you always need to wash your hands to help clean off any germs. After you go potty, you always need to wash your hands to help clean off any germs. Washing your hands helps to remove germs. Germs are very, very tiny. They are so small we cannot see them. Some germs can make us sick. Washing our hands stops the germs from spreading or getting inside our bodies and making us sick. Here's how to wash your hands. First, turn on the water and rinse your hands. Next, put some soap on your hands. Soap is very important for making your hands clean and getting rid of any germs. Sometimes you might use soap that comes out of a bottle and sometimes you might use a bar of soap. Use soap and water to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds to make lots of bubbles and foam. Make sure that your hands and all of your fingers are soapy and bubbly. You can sing the alphabet song while washing your hands. Next, rinse your hands under the water again. Make sure to wash away all of the bubbles. Then dry your hands using paper towels or a hand dryer. If you use a paper towel, make sure you put it in the trash when you are finished. Now that we know how to use the bathroom and wash our hands, let's talk about the things we do and do not do when we go potty. When you go potty, do you pull your clothes down? You do. When you go potty, do you use the toilet? You do. When you go potty, do you start running? You do not. When you go potty, do you flush? You do. When you go potty, do you put toys in the toilet? You do not. When you go potty, do you use toilet paper? You do. When you go potty, do you splash water? You do not. When you go potty, do you pull clothes up? You do. When you go potty, do you start yelling? You do not. When you go potty, do you play in the bathroom? You do not. When you go potty, do you wash hands? You do. Great work!
Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more It's Easy with Twinkl videos.